Yayay. Tita Choy is here. Hi guys, good morning. It's September 16, 2024. I-share ko lang sa inyo. I'm here at SUMC, Suleiman University Hospital. Share ko lang kasi I was admitted last September 12 and due to TIA, that's transient ischemic attack. That's a mini stroke. It has pareha ng symptoms ng stroke, kaya lang mag-i-end lang. The symptoms will end in just minutes or most an hour. So hindi po easy, nakakatakot po talaga. So transient ischemic attack is the blockage din, pareha din ng stroke na may blockage sa iyong artery, one of your arteries. Mostly sa mga due to platelets na tapos mag-block sa inyong artery. Tapos usual symptoms niyan is the half body paralyzation. So it's not easy really. So binibigyan kami ng mga gamot. It took us 4 days. Scheduled kami, admit kami September 12. Tapos scheduled na kami, happily announcing scheduled for pa-out na kami ngayon September 16. So anong nangyari doon is siguro sobra na dami high cholesterol. Advice ko lang po sa inyo talaga. At the age of 40 maybe, meaning of that also is the new a new beginning. Dahil new beginning, dyan na po talaga tayo we will watch what we eat talaga. So find out noon, finding sa akin is high cholesterol talaga number 1. So mag-block sa atin yan ang mga cholesterol, mag-block sa ating veins or arteries, tsaka yung dugo natin, of course, mahirapang dumadaloy, lalo na pag may mga nakabukol na or nakabukol na blood. So lalakas yung pressure. Kaya yun nangyari doon sa akin kasi kumain ako ng maraming meat at night before. So meat provides magiging thick, masyadong thick yung blood mo. So nahihirapang dumadaloy sa veins ko or arteries kasi thick siya masyado, tapos may mga cholesterol build up na. So nahihirapan dumaan, tapos medyo napuno talaga yung veins ng dugo or wala nang oxygen, hindi nakadaloy yung oxygen, kaya nag-collapse yung parang na-paralyze yung one side. Tapos due to pressure nakadaloy lang din yung dugo. So naayos lang din ako within a minute, 1 minute lang yun. Pero the whole process of I was treated like I am having a real stroke talaga. Treat ako ng doc. Nag-CT scan ako sa head, heart, echo, the heart and lungs and lower abdominal. Lahat po. Kaya nga parang it's a good start talaga at the age of 40 or 41 ako ngayon. It's the new beginning talaga kasi nakita talaga lahat. Buti naman yun lang, cholesterol lang yung finding sa akin. Tapos it's really the time to watch what we eat. Cholesterol is number 1 enemy ngayon. Yun lang, TIA, share ko lang yung experience ko talaga. It's scary because sa hindi alam, masasabi talagang na stroke ka. Stroke talaga yung first nakikita dyan. Later findings na yung ma-identify na TIA lang, minor. Pero it's really a heads up na you have to be very watchful in everything you do kasi pwede magiging major stroke talaga siya in the future kung hindi ka magiging watchful. So, TIA, watch out. If you are aging already 40 and more, mga strokes natin dyan, cholesterol is number one enemy. So watch what you're eating, have a balanced diet. My friends, relatives there, balanced diet po talaga. Hindi po ibig sabihin na marami tayong pera ay marami dapat ang kakainin natin. Hindi po yan. Dapat po, balanced diet lang po. Makakasave pa tayo. Ngayon, it's another way din po na makakasave kasi I am really going to make a proper diet and cut off my eating, the volume of my eating. Thank God na it was TIA only and not a major stroke. To God be the glory. Amen. Everybody, amen. Have a happy life, everybody. Avoid cholesterol, avoid too much eating, drinking, whatsoever. Google everything. If nagdalawang isip kayo, makikita din sa Google, and better face your doctor if you're feeling bad. Shout out na nga lang pala sa mga nagbumisita sa akin. Hindi ko na na-document kasi nung una hindi ko feel talaga na mag-document sa hospital. Hindi ko sila na-picturean or videoan sa mga bumisita sa akin. Shout out dyan kay Dada, Timel, Zaira, Shane, Harvey, Mike, Gingging, Rena Marie, Ginos na.